Welcome to Norway, a land of breathtaking natural beauty and dramatic landscapes. From its majestic fjords and rugged coastlines to its serene forests and pristine lakes, Norway is a paradise for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Join us as we explore the iconic Fjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its stunning scenery and powerful waterfalls. Witness the awe-inspiring northern lights, illuminating the Arctic skies with their magical colors. Discover charming villages like Rain in the Lofoten Islands, where traditional red cabins stand in stark contrast to the dramatic peaks. Norway's wildlife is as diverse as its landscapes. Keep an eye out for reindeer, seabirds, and even the elusive Arctic fox. Thank you for joining us on this aerial journey through Norway. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breathtaking drone footage from around the world.